Hello my YouTube friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Polk Reserve R200s. This is a new pair of speakers that I recently purchased, and one of the main reasons why I purchased these speakers is they're fairly affordable. Retail price is around $799, but what's cool about these speakers is that they actually share drivers from the higher end Legend series, like the Legend L800, the Legend L200. So today we're going to unbox these speakers. I'm going to show you what's included, but later I will be doing a teardown video of these speakers. And if you're not familiar with my teardown videos, or what I call look inside videos, that's where I tear the speaker down. We go over the TS parameters of the drivers, we look at the cabinet construction, and then we take a look at the crossover components. So I got the Polk Reserve R200s all unboxed. So what do you get? Well, you get a pair of bookshelf speakers that include drivers from their higher end Legend series. You get a pair of magnetic grills, which have the black and gray fabric on them. And I really like these grills. They kind of give off that mid-century look, and they look really good when they're on the speaker. The speakers came really well packed. Each one of them was individually wrapped in these socks to protect the cabinet finish. And then they wrapped them in plastic, and they had these little heart seals on them, which basically signified that, yeah, hey, you know, we take pride in our work. I thought that was a nice touch. You also get a pamphlet card on how to register the speakers. And then they include a really nice owner's manual that's very thick. And the reason why it's so thick is because there's a lot of good information in here, and it's also includes all the various languages. Now, I've torn down quite a few Polk speakers in the past, and I've always liked the owner's manuals from them because they include all the product specifications. They give you tips and tricks on how to place the speakers in your environment. And then they also provide diagrams on how to build an Atmos system. Now, some of you guys probably already know how to do that, which is great. But for the people who are just starting out in this hobby, this is valuable information to have. So kudos to Polk on creating a really great owner's manual. So first impressions, I really like the cabinet finish on these. Even though they are not a real wood veneer, they really do look the part. This is definitely one of the nicer vinyl wood cabinet finishes I have seen. As you guys know, I'm a big KEF fan. I have the KEF Q350s and the KEF Q Concerto Metas, all in the walnut finish. Obviously, it's not a real walnut finish. It's a vinyl wrap. But in my opinion, the walnut finish on these Polk speakers are nicer than the finish on my KEF speakers. So kudos to Polk for creating a really nice cabinet finish. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get these things connected, and then I'll provide you with a couple of sound demos. Here I'm opening up the owner's manual to get a recommendation from Polk on speaker placement. Polk is recommending that the speakers be aimed at the listener, so I ended up towing my speakers in quite a bit.